So here is the Smartsheet Project Manager tutorial. Smartsheet is a cloud-based project management software that helps teams plan, track, and report on projects. It's designed to help teams work together in real time and can scale to meet the needs of any department. So first of all, let's sign in using Sign In with Google. You can choose other options if you want. And then, you will get to see this page right here. You need to select which department you're in. And as you scroll through the options, you will get to see a lot of departments you can choose from. I will go ahead and select Marketing from the options. Then, you will see the section that says specifically I manage, and you can select up to 3 types of work from these options. So go ahead and select the ones that you want and then click Next. And as you can see, we're now in the Smartsheet dashboard. Here, if you look over on the left panel, you will get to see all of these options such as notifications with options to filter, and then you have the search bar. After that, you have this browse option. Here, you can browse through different files. Then you have recent, and further down, you have favorites. This is where you will get to see the items that you favorite. Then you have resource management. You can use this option to balance workloads, track time with ease, forecast with confidence. And you can request your free trial by clicking on the button. After that, you have work apps. And once you click on it, wait for it to load up. Sometimes it might take a few moments. So be patient and wait it out. So this is where you will have all the apps. And you can also use these options to filter your apps. Also, you can set according to recently updated or through alphabets, and you can use the search bar to search for them. Now let's click on this plus icon on the left. And here, you will get to see a lot of templates available to choose from. So now, let's go over to the left panel and then select Resource Management from the options. And once you're here, let's click on Request Free Trial. On this section, you need to put in all your details, such as your name, email, etc., and click Submit. For now, let's click on the plus icon again and then select a template from these options. So go through these options and choose the one that you want. Each of them have a different purpose. And if you click on View All Templates on the top right, you will get to see a lot more options to choose from. Here, you can find different templates for different purposes and tasks. And as you can see, all of them have different designs according to their purposes. And for easier search, you can scroll up to the top and use the search bar right here to search for specific templates. So as an example, I will search Agile Project. And as you can see, we have all the available templates. Choose the one that you like, and you will get to see a preview right here. Right now, it's loading up. So give it some time and it will show up on this screen. And after checking out the template over here, you can click on Create from Template on the top right corner. After that, Smartsheet will set up this template. Sometimes it may take a little while, so wait for it to load up. And on the next page, you need to build this workspace with your team. So type in the email addresses of the people that you want to invite. You can add multiple members to your workspace using this method. So I'll go ahead and type in an email. And once you type in the email, it will look something like this. And on the right side, you can set the member type. And as you can see, there are multiple options to choose from. Then, on the subject section, you can put in a subject, and right below it, you can put in a message. You can select Notify People or Myself and add collaborators. Also, you can copy the link to invite. Once done, just click on Share and the person will get an email invitation. And as you can see, the template is now ready to work on. You will notice that the different sections of the template can be customized. And if you want, you can drag the lines to expand each section. And on the top here, you can see different sections for individual tasks, such as Start Date, Day of Work, End Date, Duration, Plan, Actual, etc. And you can see all the rows and columns of individual parts of the template. If you hover over the elements here, you will notice that they are all customizable. And on the top panels, you will get to see a lot of options to customize these elements. And if you look over to the right panel, you will get to see options like conversations or comments. This is where you will get to see all the conversations related to the work. You can also send messages here if you want. And after that, you have attachments. This is where you can attach files to your sheet. And you can also sort through the attachments using these filters. Then we have proofs. This is where you will get to see all the proofs related to your work. You can also create a new proof or link to a file. After that, we have brand folder. If you go over to brand folder, it will take some time to load up. And after that, you can connect your brand folder over here. And if you're not sure what it is, you will get to see the details right here. Moving on, we have update requests. You can use this option to request updates from anyone on your team. And you can also view all the updates over here. This feature is pretty useful for ongoing work. Now, let's go over to publish. And as you can see, you need a license to use this capability. If you don't have one, you can request a license. After that, you have options like activity log and some more. Now, let's go over to the left panel and click on Browse. For now, we will not save this file. And here on the Browse section, we have the option for Sheets. And once you select it, this is where you will get to see all your sheets. And to create a sheet, click on Create on the top right corner. After that, from all of these options, select the one that you want. I will select Project, and then you can name your project over here. Once done, just click on OK. And as you can see, our new sheet has been created instantly. So let's click on the newly created sheet. And once it opens up, this is where you will be able to put in all the information about your project. And here, you can go through these sections and customize whichever part that you want. For example, if we want to change this section, click on the three dots and you will see all of these options such as Insert Column, Delete Column, or Rename Column. Also, you can freeze the column if you want. Then we have Edit Project Settings. And once you click on it, you will be able to see all the project settings right here. You can make all the necessary changes according to your preference. So go through these options like Start Date, End Date, and also the Percentage Complete column. Then you have the Dependencies options. Here, you can enable or disable it and choose the options from here. So go through these and make your desired adjustments. And once you're done making all the changes, just click on OK. And if the information here doesn't match, you will get an error like this. So fix it and click on OK. And here, you will get to see all the sections and elements that were already added by the template. So if you want to make changes to certain sections, you can go ahead and select them. So I will click on the three dots over here and click on Delete Column. This way you can remove any sections that you want. You can also add additional columns according to your needs. Now, let's go ahead and click on Finish. Here, you can set a date for finishing this task. After that, let's go over to Assign To, and you can select who you want to assign this task to. You can also set the allocation, and then type in a percentage of the work that is completed. So this way, put in the information that you need. Then, go over to Status, and you can set the status for this task. And on the comment section, you can put in comments for this particular task. So, as an example, I will type in something like Develop Marketing. You can put in your desired comments over here. And on the right side, the task is added over here. You can also click on the share icon on the top right to share this project. So this way, you can use Smartsheet to efficiently manage your projects.